Unilever just made a shocking leadership move. They replaced their CEO during the company's best performance in a decade. And why? And what does this teach us about transformation in today's market? I just reviewed a fascinating fireside chat between Unilever's new CEO, Fernandez, and Warren Ackerman of Barclays. And 3 lessons stood out that every business leader needs to hear like yesterday. 1. The frontline obsession. Most CEOs get pulled into investor relations, government affairs, and bureaucracy, but not Fernando. His response, I will be a frontline CEO. I will be all over brand plans, demand generation, and in-market execution. This is where I will spend 95% of my time. Translation, growth happens when leadership is obsessed with demand creation. He is, in essence, saying that the CEO should own marketing. What Fernandez is championing here is extraordinary, a complete reimagining of the CEO role. While most executives delegate consumer connections, he's making it clear, staying essential starts at the top. The companies that win won't just execute well, they will stay relentlessly connected to the front lines. 2. The marketing revolution. Fernandez is tearing up Unilever's marketing playbook. His words, there are 2 things I will drive like hell, desirability at scale and marketing systems with what others say about our brand at scale. He gets it. Big brands from big corporations have become suspicious. Consumers don't trust top-down marketing anymore. His plan, increase marketing spend from 13% to over 16%. Shift social media spend from 30% to 50%. Work with 20x more influencers. This is empathy in action. Brands don't own conversations anymore. People do, and he gets this. Number 3, the premium imperative. Unilever's portfolio is shifting from 35% premium to 50%. Why? Each incremental unit delivers a 60% growth margin. Fernandez's mantra, desire at scale, not just marketing hype, injecting desirability into everyday products through superior functionality and experiences. This is executing with clarity at its finest. Even everyday products can be a premium when you design for desire, not just function. The commodity trap is a mindset, not a market reality. What this means for you, whether you're running a startup or leading a Fortune 500 division, be a frontline leader. Growth happens at the customer level, not in endless strategy meetings. Stop relying on corporate messaging. Build systems where authentic voices can advocate for you at scale. Find your premium angle. Even a commodity business can create desire at scale by focusing on superior experiences. In today's market, leadership from the boardroom isn't enough. Marketing from your own channels isn't enough. And competing on price alone isn't enough. The real question isn't whether your business needs to transform, it's whether you'll lead that transformation or be forced to follow it. The companies that stay essential won't wait for change, they'll create it.